Well, hi there. What were you doing in our basement? What's down there? Okay, if you say so. What's this? Women's clothing? Down here? What? What the hell is this? What is this doing here? My God! I knew it! I knew it!
You have turned out to be quite resourceful, it seems. I am slightly impressed. I enjoy your company far more than your father's. He responded quite negatively to my requests. You have amused me thus far, but I still don't think you're quite in a position to be demanding anything. Still, I suppose you've earned the right to some further answers. What would you ask of me? He's here, and he is unharmed. He has merely been rendered unable to bother me.
Oh dear, now you don't even believe me. How disappointing.
I assure you, James and I talked at length before you arrived. Now let's continue before I grow bored with you. Oh, come now, show some enthusiasm.
There are fewer rules this time. I'd like to see just what you're capable of.
I'd like you to kill Mabel Henderson. Please put some effort into it. Do something creative. Beating her to death won't impress me.
Music to my ears.
Hello. Well, hi there. Mabel? She's nice enough, I suppose. Bit of a gossip, maybe. And she never seemed too fond of my boy Timmy. She was just complaining about his roller skates the other day. She said Timmy left them in her house and that they were dangerous. If they're so dangerous, why didn't she just bring them here when she came to complain about it? Take care now. Hello.
Oh, Mabel. Always good for a roller skate on the stairs? Oh my, that is simply inspired.
You are most resourceful and you certainly do get results. You have exceeded my expectations. And now, we come to the last task that I have for you. Succeed, and you shall be granted whatever you wish. I think you'll find that I have been quite honest with you thus far. You have no discernible reason to mistrust me. In the doghouse, out behind the abandoned home, are a mask and knife. Don the mask and become the pint-sized slasher. Use the knife to eliminate all the residents of Tranquility Lane. I thought you might find it amusing. It draws upon an old urban legend, a story told over campfires many years ago. The residents have all heard the story and will fear you. Go forth and make me proud.
good day.
No, no! Please leave me alone! Run! It's the pint-sized slasher! The pint-sized... Oh!
No, please.
No, no! Please leave me alone! Run! It's the pint-sized slasher! The pint-sized... Oh, God, help! Whatever.